I might pull up with your boo. Then hit a 5-star restaurant, order me and her some soup. No matter how thick the bitch is, I won't put it before my loot. I'm fresh as fuck, fresh off high speed chase like polo pool. You will never catch me telling another nigga what I won't do.
Don't get me wet. Don't get me wet.
Oh, wait.
Where's the soap? Is it soap?
Don't try this out. This motherfucker. She's dirty. Very, very dirty. People call this the bristles of death. You know why they call it the bristles of death? Because they scratch your paint job. Me personally, I've never had an issue.
I'm almost
Let's not jinx that today.
Jesus.
But I like using this because it's easier, it's faster. And that's fucking work. Almost cool out. Squeaky clean. This is so fucking much. I'll cover up the plate. What if I just did all this and it does not clean the car? That's gonna be so fucking shit.
No, it won't.
All this work.
Nope.
How? We're trying something new.
Sir! Sir!
Rent.
Jesus!
A minute left.
The hell?
I'm just starting.
They say you better hurry up. Oh, he on X Games mode. What are you getting?
A bunch of dead bodies.
Oh. Oh.
I don't know what's in these bags. I might find something. I'm looking for a Muscatine.
What are you, towel?
Yep. Yeah, I think I washed her. There it is. I thought I washed her. We thought.
Did not go.
Did not. Because now we just gotta clean all the XFEs.
I don't think that's. Oh. Oh.
Good.
Oh.
We forgot a portion.
Yeah. It's a little soapy. It's a little.
We're saving water.
Oh.
Okay. Save the turtles.
I could just.
Why not just, you know, turn the water back on? Because, you know, some kids need water. And if we take all the water, it won't be very fun. Plus, I like to use the dirt. I like to use.
I don't know where you're going with that, but I don't think it's gonna make sense.
What did Mr. Miyagi say? Wax on, wax off.
Right. Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand. Wax on, wax off. Breathe in through nose, out the mouth.
Okay? Don't test the method. Type in if you want your car washed, you feel me? That bitch nice and clean. It might be a little soapy after. But it'll be clean, I guarantee you that. My breath hot. She's clean. She might be a little wet. It's like the way we like them. Boy, if you don't get... But she looks very pretty, you know. Look at her. We like them a little soapy around here. Okay? What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nice.
We're not gonna talk about the hood, okay? My fat ass sat down. That's why that looks like that. I was sitting here, I was posted,
He's posted up for the flick, and
then my fat ass broke it, okay? Too much junk in the trunk. But that's not worth it. What? We're on our way now to UCM and McDonald's. So now we're gonna go ahead and be Big Bags. We're going to McDick's. Oh, there's my phone.
I'm the mayor of Big Back City.
Okay.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. You using your mobile app today?
No, sir. No.
What can I do for you?
Can I have a number 7?
A number what?
Number 7.
Medium or large?
Large.
More drink?
A sweet tea. But on that number 7, can you just make it bun, ketchup, and burger and cheese?
Buns, ketchup, pickle, cheese, put that patty in between his burger.
Ketchup. Cheese, ketchup, and bun. So, and meat. So just no onion, no pickles.
So only ketchup.
Yeah, only ketchup on it, basically. Thank you.
Got anything else?
Can I have 2 McDoubles, extra ketchup,
2 McDoubles, extra ketchup.
and 1 McChicken, light lettuce, extra mayo?
That's all for you?
Yeah, sure, that'll be all. Oh wait, and a large lemonade.
Large lemonade?
Yes, sir.
Alright. 1914, first window.
Thank you, brother. So now we pull up to the window. Oh Lord Jesus.
There you go. 1914?
There you go. Living a life. Living my good life is golden. Thank you. He didn't want his face in it. You see, he gave me a thumbs up. He went, yep, take it. I will clean that out. I'm not like most women. I'm not going to say all women.
Most women? Are you
most
a woman?
Women. No, I'm a man. I have a PP. Most women would allow it and just pile up the trash in the back. Me, I like it clean, okay? 4 doors, more horse. Copyright. Anyways. Now we're waiting. I'm going to roll my window up because I feel weird.
We got the bag.
Bag is now secure.
Indeed.
Bag is now secure.
Indeed. Now, you go get gas.
We get gas, and then we drive very far, and it's only 30 minutes. It's not that fucking far, but it is far.
It's far for me. And then I have work at 10, and I really don't want to go, but I have to go. I don't have to go.
Don't side at me like that.
But I have to go, guys. I have to fucking go. We're just waiting for these fucking cars to stop coming on Ford Road.
Yeah.
They are. They're almost. Wait. We go now.
I go now, good like everybody else.
We good. We go now. Now I have to find the closest. Why are you braking? It's a green light.
Go this way. So now we have to find where the closest gas station is.
thoughts is going to be
Up here on the right. Yep.
As long as we make it. I don't even know how much gas I'm going to put. We'll find out. So, I am currently getting gas, and then we're going to start our fucking descent there. And then I'm going to probably pick it up from there. Once I get there, and just show y'all the coolest shit. Cause Detroit, we got some cool ass cars. I'm not gonna lie, we low key sweet. I got 30-35 minute drive after this. Get gas, go, and then I will see y'all on the road. And then that's about it. Shit, I don't know. I don't know what else I'm gonna fucking do. But this motherfucker car squeaking. Look at that motherfucker. That motherfucker squeaking. Fuck is your shit squeaking for, homie? Alright, I'm done filling up gas. Don't take much for my car to fill up on fucking gas. I love it, because I don't gotta spend a lot of money like the rest of y'all motherfuckers on gas. But guess what? This motherfucker might be a gas saver. Bitch still fast. So, alright, we're gonna hit the road. I'm about to be on my way there. UCM, here I come, baby. Okay. We just got here. And when I tell you...
Wait, don't even...
Where's the meat?
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Arby's has the meat. This is not a car meet. This is a meet and greet.
This is a car hangout.
This is a hangout. Where's everybody at?
This is a car quick hello. I don't understand.
Where is everybody at? There's no meat. I don't see no meat.
Nope.
I see a lot of meat.
Pause.
No Diddy. No Diddy.
No Diddy parties at my car meet.
No Diddy parties at the meet.
No.
But where's everybody else at? I'm disappointed.
At the Diddy party?
No Diddy party. I'm disappointed at the meet.
Mm-hmm.
This is disappointing as fuck. Mm-hmm. I popped up. And ain't nobody here. Excuse me. This is horrifying.
We got a vape god.
We got a vape god over there. Fucking watch him do O's and fucking nothing. He's bald. He's scary. There's no meat. There's no. I'm ready to fucking go.
Yeah. You see it. You came. You see it.
Like
you went.
There's no.
Hey, at least you tried. E for effort.
This is horrible. Everybody, they know each other. You're checking out the car that you've already seen. Don't make it seem like you don't know them. Y'all pulled in together.
That's his cousin.
Cousin. And then we got a fucking, a Cobra. That's scary. That Cobra Mustang got it. And then there's this guy over here. He has a Focus ST. He's parked in, if you can look through 6750 glass, he's over here. This shit. Boy, if you don't get your... I expected so much better than what the fuck. Look at this. So we got this one motherfucker right here. Over here. That I fuck with. And then bro's got a fucking Focus fucking ST on the other side, but there is nobody here. When I say nobody, I mean absolutely nobody. I wish it was better. This shit looks horrible. Look like dog shit. We got two decently Focus STs. A green fucking Subaru. A Mustang. This shit look nasty. It looks completely fucking nasty. I don't know what the fuck. I'm probably about to leave because this is not it whatsoever. So usually UCM do throw better fucking meets. I done seen some crazy ass experiences at UCM meets. This one obviously not that good. I definitely will be at the next one because I fucking love UCM. UCM's dope. I love underground car meets. They're sweet as hell. Joe's cool. The dragway that they do and set up is all fucking sweet. Just this one wasn't it for the first meet that I went to this summer. Cause I work a lot. I'm literally getting off work. It is currently 5. Y'all see that? 5:03 in the morning, man. So yeah, but welcome to the team. Quick little video for y'all. I haven't posted in 2 weeks, but I definitely got something coming for y'all. But that was the first car meet I went to this summer. It's already fucking middle of July, damn near. Fuck. There's not no big ones that have came out yet, cause I definitely would have went, and also I work nights, so it's kind of hard to go on Friday, Saturdays, cause I work Friday, Saturdays. So you feel me? So I try to get. Sometimes I try to take the day off if I know some shit ahead of schedule. But we gonna definitely start doing more car content, and I love y'all. Thank you. Road to 100 with 2 subs away. So I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Y'all have a good day. Have a good night. Like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm out. Adios.
Isn't it so convincing how that place I cross my throat, coke residue all in my nose, couple graves dug from my foes and murder on call with the fight now. 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Why these fuckers tell it dinner every night?